Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we'll be exploring Al-Raqeeb. Al-Raqeeb is the one who watches everything, always. This scrutiny of every detail in the existence of all creation is in part protective. Allah watches His faithful servant proceeding on their allotted paths in harmony with each other and everything else, and protects them from the intentions and the actions of those who revolt, who are about to clash with what is rightful. The ones under the watchful eye of Al-Raqeeb, who are heedful, aware, obedient servant Allah for Allah's sake, should know that not a speck of their good deeds will be lost. All will be rewarded. The heedless ones who dream that they are their own masters and that they can do and have all that they want should know that not one of their moves against the divine order and harmony will pass unnoticed and unpunished. In accordance with this attribute of Allah, humanity should realize that in addition to Allah Al-Raqeeb, the loving, merciful watcher, there are two other watchers, deadly enemies who watch you all the time to find an appropriate time and a weak spot to attack you, to possess, to torture, to kill you. These two wakeful enemies are the accursed devil Shaitan and the insatiable egoist, the Nafs al-Ammara. You must will all the awareness within your power and watch every minute the moves of these two enemies who have surrounded you from four sides and from the inside. So who is Abdul Raqeeb? Abdul Raqeeb is more aware of Allah watching him and everything else than he is aware of his very existence. Consequently, he is unable to cross the borders of Allah's prescriptions. Nobody but a person blessed by the manifestation of this name Al-Raqeeb is totally conscious and totally in control of himself and others around him. In reality, Abdul Raqeeb is an expression of Allah's watching over him and others. This divine name as the litany of the fruitful who have been given the gift of Ihsan, the gift of the certainty that although they cannot see God, God at all times sees them. Not only their form and their actions, but their most secret thoughts and feelings. If one such person recites this name Al-Raqeeb as often as possible in a hidden place for a month, the eye of his heart will see secrets which others cannot see. He even may understand the language of the beasts, vegetation, and lifeless things. If someone misplaces or loses something, recitation of the name may help him find it. If someone fears a curse or a spell cast upon him, recitation of this name 312 times a day for a week will render the spell ineffective. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.